Okay, guys, my toilet is plugged. So anyway, the first thing that I do is I add some type of soap. Now I keep this on hand because it's very, very inexpensive. And what it does is just kind of lubricates the piping. So I take and get me some real, real hot water in a bucket, in this case a trash can, and I just pour it on down the toilet. See that steam coming off of there? Well, that's what you want to happen. You'll go ahead and you will plunge. And it'll go right down. Okay, so now you'll check it, of course, by flushing it. And that's just back to normal, okay?